Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make no one can send you a message on your account on Roblox, easy and quick. First click settings, now click privacy, and now you will find who can message me. Click on it. Here just click no one, and that's it, it will be saved. That's how to make no one can send you a message on your account on Roblox, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.